Hello friends, welcome to Salesforce CRMatics video session 70. Okay, so in today's video, uh, we will actually continue what we were doing in our previous session. That is, we have a few more derived fields, okay, in the recipe side, taking the reference of whatever we already created on the data flow set. Okay, so I will take that as reference and will create a few more fields. Fine. So let me go to manage data flow. Let me open this. Okay. So we have done till here, right? I think this was the one. First 15 character. That's fine. So let's continue from here. Okay. Okay. The next part is amount bucket. Okay. So again, just see how I'm doing the changes. Okay. There are very subtle difference in this case when statement as I explained in the last session. Fine. So from here, I will go to custom formula and I will directly copy this part and I will just make some subtle changes. For example, here I will have amount. Okay. Amount, then this will be in single quotes. Okay. Then again amount. I can also do this in Notepad++, but that's fine. Okay. I will recommend you first of all, just type a bit and do this so that, you get used to it. Otherwise, we can also do it in Notepad++ where we can replace certain characters with certain characters. That is a more proper method, easier method. Okay. But anyways, since the expression is not too long, I think I can afford to manually put this. Fine. And it will help you to learn as well. It's a good learning process, I feel. Fine. Anyways, this is the thing now. Coming over here, I have to put the output as text. Okay. And here, of course, I will just copy it from here. That is amount bucket. Fine. And let me click on apply. Okay, there's some mistake which is happening. What is the issue? Case when amount is 0. What is the issue? What is writing over here? Expecting this equal to case when. Okay, let me check properly. Case when amount. Okay. Okay, this is the amount, by the way. Case when amount, then low amount. Yeah, I think I'm making some mistakes somewhere. Let's quickly cross check. I think now it's fine. Okay, let's see what we were doing over here. Case when amount is equal to 0. Okay. Let me do one thing. Let me put a control X here. Let's check what is the issue which we are getting. Some issue is coming from here. Okay. This got saved successfully. Now let's see. Okay. I think it has to be single equal to. That's where I was making a mistake. Fine. I think this now got saved successfully, as you can see here. So the issue was it shouldn't be double equal to, it has to be single equal to. Okay. Anyways, we resolved this issue. That's fine. Okay. Let's move to the next one. There are some minute difference. Instead of double equal to single equal to, like that manner. And one more thing I have to check. Here it is given less than. Okay, that's fine. It's working. So this one is done. Let's check the next one. Last three character, the last three character of id, it will take this part. That won't be an issue. Okay, so let me go to custom formula. This will be as it is, and here last three character of id also, let me put it over here. uh, and this will be text. Yeah, let me click on apply. That's done. And we will simultaneously cross check over here. Okay, why it's coming as id, substring id. Okay, the thing is that I shouldn't put in single quotes. Okay, here id will be as it is. Fine. Yeah, now if I click on apply, you will see the appropriate results. Okay, here you can see the appropriate results right now. Always check in this preview section. Okay, fine. Let's go to the next one. Index of n. Okay, now for this one, actually, there's a function which we have. Okay, let me write index. Yeah, there's a function called instr. Okay, so if I just click on this instead of index of, this will help us. See, as you can see, field, search, string, position, and occurrence. Okay, this is how it is. Okay, so let this be as it is. Let me write here, and I will put this one, that is my name and m. Okay, so let me write here name, which is the field name, and search string, which string I want to search. Okay, I want to search capital M. So we don't have index underscore of, as you can see under recipe, that function, but we have this one, that is instr. Okay, so that actually have the same meaning. Fine. And if I search with instr, let's say instr, let us search in Google in SQL. Okay, let me write in Einstein Analytics. Okay, I think it's not here. I feel instr. Okay, cool. INSTR is not there. We have index of, which is fine. But yeah, this INSTR is something which, in SQL, if you see, it returns the position of first occurrence of a string in another string. That's the meaning of INSTR. That whatever is the first occurrence of a string in other occurrence, that kind of gets returned over here. Okay. Anyways, let's move ahead. Okay. Some issue I think I'm getting. Okay. This is, sorry, this will be number, right? And let me write this part over here. Precision, let me give it as 5. I think that's enough. Okay, scale is 0, and let me click on apply. Okay. Now, as we can see, if we cross over to the right, we are getting that appropriate result as well. Okay, so that's working fine. That's cool. Okay, let's move ahead. Test record examples. Fine. Now, for this one also, uh, it won't be exactly this one. We have to write it a little bit different. Okay, so let's understand this. So we won't be able to have this matches word over here, or I think it might work out. Let's check once. Okay. And let me copy this test record examples. output type will be text, and let me click on apply. Okay, so they're saying at matches. So missing at matches means they are not able to recognize this message. Okay, so there's a function which we have called contains. Okay, so let me write that function called contains. Fine. So contains, as you can see, we need the field name and the literal, right? So the literal is this one, actually, not an issue. Okay, so the literal is this one. If it contains this string, and where it should contain in the name portion. Okay, now if I click on apply, it will work out fine. So if I hover to last, as you can see, test record example is coming appropriately. I think we don't have anything with yes, right? Okay, yeah, we have with yes. Okay, as you can see here, yeah, these three records are with yes, right? And if I see, this contains of test. Okay, so a better way to write, instead of matches which we write in data flow which works in recipe, it will be the contains. You give the name and which string you want to actually check whether it contains or not. Okay, that's the way it is. Fine. So yeah, this is a difference which you see. Okay, okay, for this expected revenue classification also, this one won't work out. Okay, so we have to write it in a bit different way in recipe side. So now if I go to custom formula, and here the thing is that what I have to write is, I have to write expected revenue. First of all, I have to write between. Okay, between 10,000, because this way it doesn't work out. Okay, and 2,000. Fine. Then medium else high, and expected revenue, I will just, okay, this won't be in single quotes, and whatever we have in double quotes will be in single quotes. Okay, that's how it works in recipe. Okay, and the operation will be text, of course. And let me give the name from here, that is expected revenue classification. Okay, okay, as you can see, it's working. And if I hover to the complete, right, yeah, I can see some low high. Yeah, I feel it's working, not an issue. Okay, now let's go to the next one. Okay, state sorted. Fine. Okay, for this state sorted, again, it's the same thing. Like, we have to just replace the double quotes with single quotes. Okay, let me quickly go to custom formula. Okay, let me map the formula here, and here let me write it as state sorted. Okay, this will be text, this will be state sorted. Okay, and here I will just replace that double quotes with single quotes. Okay, so let me remove single quotes from here. Okay, fine. Here I have to put single quotes once again. Okay, for this one, we will continue in the further videos. We are making some mistakes. We will check this properly. Huh? We will check this once. Okay. Thank you.